Hello everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever you have. Now today in this video, I'm going to share with you one of the most effective technique, and that is shadowing. Yes guys, and no, you know already about that technique, but still I'm sharing about this technique. Why? Because I'm just sharing some advanced way how does actually work it in your English speaking journey. So guys, please I request you watch this video till the end. At the end of this video, you will be better understand how does work it in your English speaking journey. And yes, if you have new on this channel and you still not subscribe our channel and you want to be learn English, so please I just suggest you, I just request you, please subscribe it because it is very helpful for your English speaking journey. Yes guys, so without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, I just explain you how does work it in our English speaking journey. For beginner, you have to just listen a line, a sentence, then after out loud this sentence. If you, for example, if you watching video, so please click turn on the subtitle, then just listen what you heard, what you see, and then after pause your video and just repeat this word in your mouth. Yes, while doing this exercise, what happens with you guys? First thing is that you know the sentence construction rules, and second thing is that your pronunciation also increase, and sometime you know the new vocabulary word there. That means when you doing shadowing, while doing shadowing, you can learn three things simultaneously. And that is the way to improve your English. For beginner, I just suggest you some YouTuber. When I was in my learning stage, I'm also trying to listen their English, and this has helped me very lot. But guys, which kind of mistake we are making at our beginning stage? We try to listen native English speaker, and that is the one of the most biggest mistake we are made. So you have to just listen Indian speaker, because our Indian accent is very easy to understand. And when we try to listen native English speaker, it is little bit difficult to understand. We can't understand the meaning of this sentence. If we don't understand the sentence of this meaning, so how can we speak these sentences properly in our mouth? It is not possible. You have to just convert yourself toward Indian accent. At the beginning, Indian accent is very helpful for you. So I just suggest you some YouTuber. When I was in my learning stage, I heard their sound lots of time, and as well as I'm doing shadowing to listening their sound, and this has helped me a very lot. First one is the English book story. Yes, this channel belongs from South India, but I don't know on which state. But yes, I'm sure about that. Their creator is belong from South India because their accent is like a South Indian people, and it is very easy to understand. This channel basically depend on cartoon. That means this is very helpful for beginner and learner, and they are focusing on grammatical concept also as well. You have to just listen one sentence and just repeat it in your mouth. For shadowing, I just suggest you some another channel also as well here. Second one is Joe's Talk in English. Yes, this is also Indian YouTube channel, but this is very helpful for beginner. Why? Because on this channel you can find some motivational speeches. That means you can know the another person life experiences. Why? Because while learning how they are struggling in their life and how they achieve their goal, you can see front of your eyes and you just get little bit motivated from this person. Yes, and as well as you can learning English there. It means the Joe's Talk is help you in both situation, for learning and as well as for motivation. Yes, so please, if you have some time, so visit on this channel. Another one is Buddhism. Yes, this is also good channel. If you don't know about Buddhism YouTube channel, so you can see the logo here. This is the logo of this channel, and after searching this channel, you just have to click on that video and just watch. After watching their video, you can realize this is also very helpful and very good. And second most important thing is that it is very easy to understand. Basically, this channel belong from Sri Lanka, but their accent is match with Indian people. Why I am suggesting Indian accent? Because at the beginning you can't understand any another accent. That's why I am suggesting you again and again. Just listen Indian accent. If you are able to understand Indian accent, that means I'm sure about that you will be automatically able to understand a native accent and another country accent. But at the beginning you have to focus on our Indian accent. Yes. And third one is Alina Rice, also good channel. You can visit on their channel and find some helpful video there. This is also Indian teacher and their accent also very good. And last one is Hello English. Hello English also a good YouTube channel. There you can find some easy video. Their video basically depend on some way, some techniques and some grammatical rules. And yes, their accent is very easy to understand. For beginner, it is a help very lot. When I was in my learning stage, I am also putting lots of my time to listening their video. And yes, you can see the result in front of your eyes. That's the end of this video. And yes, one more thing is that I'm not getting any kind of a sponsor to promoting their channel, so don't take it in negative way. If I learn English from nothing, so you can also learn this language within a shorter period of time. Why this channel? I'm just sharing with you my personal experiences. If you want to learn English, so please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. It is very helpful for your English speaking journey. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If I make any kind of mistake while explaining, while speaking, while everywhere, so please forgive me, because I am also in my learning stage and a student, a learner can make mistake. See you soon in another video. Take care. Bye bye.